Hi all, today we are on Windows 11 and we are looking at how to access the deep web. Let's get into it. So starting off, we're going to want to come down to the start menu, or if you have a web browser on your desktop, go ahead and open that. We're going to want to go to Tor, T-O-R. There we go, the Tor project. We can open this up and we can download the browser. Go ahead and select what you are on. We're on Windows 11, so we will select Windows. Now we have that downloading up here. Go ahead and open that up once it finishes. And we'll close out of our Chrome window. So we're going to go ahead and install using English, install, and it will install Tor. So what is Tor? Tor is a web browser that allows you to access .onion URLs, and those URLs are typically hidden. I won't provide you any URLs here, but we can go ahead and open up the Tor browser. Okay, so you see right when we get started, Tor browser routes your traffic over the network run by thousands of volunteers around the world. You can select always connect automatically, or you can just connect when this is open. I'll choose just connect, and it'll take a second to establish a connection. Do remember that the Tor browser will be a bit slower than what you're used to with normal internet because you're not connecting it to network. Typically, you're connecting directly to different people and websites. Okay, we're now ready to go. Let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.